Welcome back to our channel Aglasim Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 13, that is surface area and volumes. So starting with the ninth exercise, our first question says the wooden bookshelf has external diameter as follow, and the height is 110 centimeter, depth is 25 centimeter and breadth is 85 centimeter. So the thickness of the plank is 5 centimeter everywhere. So the external faces are to be polished and the internal faces are to be painted. If the rate of polishing is 20 paisa per centimeter square and the rate of painting is 10 paisa per centimeter square. So find the total expenses required for polishing and painting the surface of the bookshelf. So the answer is dimensions of bookshelf, that are length, breadth and height, are given to us, and the thickness of plank, that is 5 centimeter. So from this, the internal diameter of bookshelf, that is length 110 minus 5 will give you 100 centimeter. Breadth, that is 85 minus 5 will give you 75 centimeter. Height, that is 25 minus 5 will give you 20 centimeter. So the outer surface area of bookshelf, that is LB plus 2 into BH plus HL. By applying this value, we will get 19,100 centimeter square. So the area of borders, that are 4 into 75 into 5 plus 2 into 110 into 5. Further solving it, we will get 2600 centimeter square. Solving further, total area to be polished, that is 19,100 plus 2600 will give you 21,700 centimeter square. So the cost of polishing at rate of 20 paisa per centimeter square will give you rupees 4,340. And the inner surface area of bookshelf, that is LB plus 2 into BH plus HL. By applying the value, we will get 14,500 centimeter square. So area of two plank, that is 4 into 75 into 20 will give you 6,000 centimeter square. And the internal area that is covered by plank, by applying the value, we will get 1150 centimeter square. Further, moving to question number 2, which says the front compound wall of a house is decorated by wooden spheres of a diameter 21 centimeter placed on smaller supports. 8 such faces are used for this purpose and to be painted silver. Radius, that is 1.5 centimeter, height, that is 7 centimeter and is to be painted black. Find the cost of paint required if silver paint costs 25 paisa per centimeter square and black paint costs 5 paisa per centimeter square. So the answer is radius, that is capital R. Remember this, we have to take radius of sphere is capital R. So that is 21 divided by 2, which will give you 10.5 centimeter. And the radius of cylindrical support, that is small r, is 1.5 centimeter. And the height, which is already given to us, that is 7 centimeter. So we can find the surface area of sphere, that is 4 pi capital R square. So remember, we have capital R here. So by placing the value, we will get 1386 centimeter square. Further, moving to area of hidden surface by cylindrical support, that is pi r square. So pi, that is 22 by 7 into r, that is 1.5 into 1.5, which will give you 7.0 centimeters square. So total surface area of one sphere for silver painting, that is 1386 minus 7.07, which will give you 1378.93 centimeters square. And the total surface area of 8 sphere, that is 8 into 1378.93, which will give you 11031.44 centimeters square. So the total cost of painting at rate of 25 paisa per centimeter square, we have to multiply it and it will come 2757.86 rupees. So the radius of cylinder, that is small r, is 1.5 and the height is given to us, that is 7 centimeter. The curved surface area is 2 pi RH. So applying the value, we will get 66 centimeter square. Further, moving to question number 3, which says the diameter of sphere is decreased by 25%. By what percent does its curved surface area decreases? So answer is, let the diameter, we have to take it as 2r, that is capital R, remember here. So radius will be capital R only. So surface area of sphere, that is 4 pi r square, here capital R. If the diameter is decreased by 25%, the new diameter is 2r dash. So 2 capital R minus 25% of 2 capital R will give you, so 2r minus 1 by 2r, which will give you 3 by 2 capital R. So the radius of new sphere, that is r dash, equals to 3 by 4 r. So the surface area of new sphere, that is 4 pi r dash square. So applying the value, we will get 9 by 4 pi r square. So decrease in surface area, that is 4 pi r square minus 9 by 4 pi r square will give you 7 by 4 pi r square. So further, the percentage decrease in surface area is 7 by 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi r square into 100, which will give you 43.75. So therefore, the surface area of new sphere is decreased by 43.75%. So this is all from this exercise, guys. If you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Agla Same Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.